Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Imran the Analyst. Today we will learn about the basics of Excel. So let's get started. So you can see I have opened the Excel already. This is Excel 2019. On the top you can see this is a ribbon and it has different tabs like home, insert, page layout, home formulas, etc. And on the top you can see this is the title of my Excel workbook, and we have some quick access toolbar over here. I have a quick access button for saving, undo and redo. I can customize it with different, let me add quick print, different buttons. Let me add ascending and descending. And we have over here, we have a formula bar, you can see. And over here on the left, you can see this will show us the address of a cell which is selected. Right now A1 is selected, this one is called A1, this one is called B1, C1, same way A2, B2, C2. Excel sheet is divided, Excel columns are labeled with letters and the rows are labeled with numbers. At the end you can see we have a one sheet, I can add another, I can yet another, fourth one, fifth one. This way we can add different sheets. I can delete, right click, delete. This way we can delete sheets in Excel. And down there you can see this is for zoom. I can zoom in and zoom out with the help of these buttons. I can use this slider. So let me keep it at 800. And the next thing we will learn is how to add text. Let me add some text. I will write something like serial number. Okay, when I press tab, it will move forward. When I press enter, the selection will come to the next row. I will add one. I will add my name Imran, and we have an option of autofill. Usually you see serial numbers start from 1 and to the any number you want. Let me select this, let me bring my cursor to the bottom right. You can see this symbol changes. Let me click and drag, and I will click and I will press control button. So you can see it autofill from 1 to 16. I can increase the date to 21. Okay, this way we can add numbers, this way we can add text. And there are few other ways of adding text. For example, if I want to fill this one in whole this range, I can select and paste. This way the one pasted in every cell I have selected. I can delete all these by selecting all these columns and right click and delete. You can see all those columns are deleted. So the next thing which we learn is formatting. Let me select this top row and change the font size, and let me make it bold, and let me add a background color of light blue, and I want the foreground to be yellow, not yellow, red, you can see. And I can add borders to my cells like this. So this way we can do formatting. So there are different options which we will learn. For example, let me show you another thing. This time the text is to left align. I can make it center line, I can make it right line, but I will keep it at left line. And there are different options. Okay, the next thing which I will show you is how to save your workbook. I'll go to file, I'll go to save as, and I'll go to this PC, and I'll go to downloads, and I will name it, I'll go to desktop, and I will name it my first workbook, and I'll save, and I'll go to my desktop. You can see this is my workbook. In this quick tutorial we learn about the very basics of Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.